What's good, people? Welcome to Plant-Based Leon. I'm Leon, and today I want to show you my 3 favorite lunches. These are quick and easy to make, trust me. So firstly, I want to start with the easy homemade pizza and beans. Let me reiterate, all of these lunches should take you no longer than like 10 minutes to make. This is no exaggeration. These are my rush meals, which I like to make, whether it be on break between work or just if I'm hungry and I want something tasty but quick. As you can see, I'm chopping up some onions and bell peppers because they're gonna act as part of the toppings on my pizza. And I thought I'd be a bit fancy and throw in some tomato as well, because I just feel like tomato belongs on top of a pizza. This is Tesco's own free from cheese. It's just a simple cheddar. They didn't do too much to it. They just did a great job. And this is no sponsorship or nothing like that. This is just me being completely open with you. Now, what makes this pizza super easy is the fact that they're made on pita bread slices. So you literally just grab a couple pita bread slices, I guess you call them slices, put them on your grill and put them in the oven to grill on one side for like 5 minutes or until it's kind of brown. Now I'm using Cauldron's marinated tofu because that's going to act as a really nice topping for my pizza. So on the other side of my pita bread, I'm putting some tomato puree and some of that cheese that I grated earlier, along with the tomato and the onion and bell peppers that I chopped up. Then I added those tofu pieces on top. But literally with a pizza like this, you can really make it your own, you know? This is your time to get creative with it. I guess the easiest part of this is the base. So I'm really trying to reiterate that you can make a simple pizza with pita bread. So I put them in the oven to grill. I think I put them in there for like 10 minutes or something. So in the meantime, I put the beans on. Probably wasn't even 10 minutes, probably like 5 minutes or so. Okay, maybe 10 minutes based on the brown edges. But come on, you can't tell me that doesn't look absolutely delicious. Again, I got the beans on the side. I could have put chips on the side, but 1, chips aren't very quick. And 2, I felt like I needed something a bit more saucy, you know? So for my next lunch, I'm going to make saucy ramen noodles, and I've put potato and avocado on the side. These are all the ingredients that you probably want to use for this one. So I put my potatoes in the microwave after pricking them all over. Put them in there for about 10 minutes because as much as I don't like using the microwave, it is very quick and convenient. I don't use it often, and if I can help it, I don't really use a microwave, but there are times when admittedly it's quick. And that's what today's episode is all about, quickness and ease. And a microwave is admittedly both of those. So I added the seasoning from the noodles to the noodles. And look at this. The thing came off the tin, so I had to open it the traditional way. So I added a can of kidney beans to the seasoned passata. And I chopped up my potato pieces once they came out of the microwave. Yes, I know the potatoes looked a bit tired, but you know, this is what I was dealing with. This is real life that I'm showing you guys, all right? I made the executive decision to add the kidney beans to the noodles. You could do these separately if you liked. I guess the main thing here is that ramen noodles are really quick and they kind of make a meal, in my personal opinion. So I topped that with potato and avocado and some chili flakes, just for that extra zing, you know? Fire. This lunch is probably my favorite lunch out of all the lunches that I'm showing you today. It's cinnamon and raisin bagels with beans and nutritional yeast. And to be honest, you probably don't even need this voiceover at this point, because literally all you're gonna do is open your beans, I like to add a bit of pepper to mine. And then I grab my bagel, chop that in half of course, and then I toast that. This is probably the quickest meal out of all three that I'm showing you today as well. And it's all about ease and speed. We live in a world where we want everything done very fast. We want results fast, responses fast. We want everything fast, and sometimes it's the same with our food, you know? But we also want quality, and that is something that this lunch satisfies. I top that with nutritional yeast. Honestly, I've showed you this before in another video. I'm pretty sure you never tried it, but this is my second call out. Try this, it's amazing, and it has to be cinnamon and raisin bagels as well. It's absolutely flames. I could have this every day. But hey, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go head over to my Instagram. I'd love to see you over there. I make crazy Instagram stories. You need to check it out.